diagnostic tool. So it takes a lot of time for us to set up the studio and to get the content running, have all the content transferred onto the Virtual Studio laptop, go and open our Outlook there. It takes a lot of time to download the PSK and everything. So one is to the Virtual Studio laptop, everyone of us, everyone who is a presenter should have a remote desktop access to that, so that I can do all that prep from my home on the way. And we want to have an app for this, an auto diagnostic app. One, the auto diagnostic tool looks at the calendar of the Virtual Studio, where the Virtual Studio is blocked for let's say a certain activity. It runs an automatic diagnostic, checks all the sign-ons are working or not, has a single sign-on for the multiple apps that we have. You have Personify, you have Air Server, you have this, you have that. Checks whether all the sign-ons are working or not, picks it up from the calendar and pushes the information to the presenter and to the IT in case there is a problem, right? So that it can be fixed beforehand and pushes the notification. Then the Virtual Studio app should be able to trigger this manually and also have an FAQ. So whoever is going and presenting, if something is eventually not working, he should have a FAQ as to these things are not working. I open up my phone and look at what is the readily available solution or what somebody else has done in case they've faced the same problem. A single sign-on for all the tools that we have available in the Virtual Studio.
One point below. The same app would also send notifications or email checking the customer's internet availability and what feasibility.
Yeah, so it would also send out an email to the customer saying that these are the steps that you need to do before checking. And the app would have GPS integration. So we have a big network of partners. What we can do is, if the customer does not have connectivity or the right infrastructure at their place, you can just look at the app, what is the nearest office of a partner which is available at a customer's end, right? You can have the partner have that infrastructure, they will at least have a conference room and internet connectivity there, and you can move the meeting to the partner location. So the second is the auto diagnostic tool app.
So that also helps in lead generation for the partner. So for the partner, we generate leads for the partner.
Not
Generate lead for this.
कुछ बचा है